Welcome to Musab Creative Toolkit. So today, let me quickly show you how the Dehancer plugin is working on my Windows machine. Completely smooth, no issues at all. And by the way, if you want to know whether Dehancer is actually worth it or not, I've written a full blog post on it. Check the link down below in the description. So Dehancer Pro is a film emulation plugin, and the best part? It works on both Premiere Pro and After Effects. You install it once and it shows up in both. Let me show you what it actually does. Alright, so here I've already imported my video into Premiere Pro. Nothing fancy, just raw footage straight from the camera. Now I'm gonna go to my effects panel, search for Dehancer, and just drag it right onto the clip. That's it, it's applied. Now the first thing you want to play with is the film emulation. This is the main reason people love Dehancer. These are real analog film profiles, not just color filters. You can scroll through them, see how each one gives a completely different mood. I'll pick one that fits this footage. Next up, I'm gonna enhance the contrast a little, just push it slightly to give the image more depth, and then the grain. This is where it gets cinematic. Dehancer's grain is not like those fake grain overlays you find online. This actually looks and feels like real film grain. You can control the intensity, the size, everything. Now let me add some halation. See how the highlights start to glow and bleed slightly. That's what real film does. And then bloom on top of that, it just softens the light beautifully. This alone makes your footage look 10 times more expensive, and check this out. Here's the before and here's the after. I mean, the difference is night and day. From flat, boring footage to something that actually looks like it was shot on film. So if you want to get Dehancer Pro for free, join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. You'll get a complete step-by-step installation guide there. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.